Hey, today I'm going to set up and install the Ruff Liners seat and door protector inside my Ford F-150. This is not the first one of these I've had. I had one before, and I really liked it, did a great job, but it did start having problems with it after I washed it a second time. Something also to be aware of is that you can't see it as much on this side. The heat, there's a rubber backing on the back of this, and the heat kind of marked up some of my my door here. And anyway, I still have a huge amount of dog hair. I got the black one because it was on sale. And I had the gray one before, and I kind of wanted the gray one because my dogs have white fur. But the black one went on sale, so that's the one I got. And I'm going to start opening up. What's kind of cool and what's neat about this one, these are a little bit different in that they also protect the door. And then you put your seats up. I like that the seats are up so the dogs can get in under, have extra space. They don't have a lot more space than when the seats are down and they have to climb up higher and stuff like that. This makes it really easy. One of my dogs is a little bit older. He's got trouble with steps. He's got, his joints are a bit not so great. I guess arthritis is kind of kicking in. And so it makes it a little bit easier for him to get in. So it's nice, he just hits a step and then 2 steps up and he's in. And so this is it. Comes in a nice little carrying case. I'll be frank with you, I never used the carrying case. Once I took it out, it was out and I never put it back in. But this is a nice, nice little touch here. See, having a little bit of trouble getting it open with one hand. So this is what I'm talking about, the rubber backing. It kind of holds it in place, which is nice, but it does, when the heat in the summertime, that rubber backing will melt a little bit and leave us a little bit of a mark on your doors. The other thing is you'll see these. Okay, so the plastic pieces, it comes with 6 of these. You notice there's Velcro on one side and plastic on the other side. The Velcro part goes on the bottom side of the liner. You stick the plastic down inside the gap here between your window. And you just push it down there and put the Velcro up, and that'll attach to the liner. So I'm further along now. I'm almost done. This installs in just a couple of minutes. A couple of things is you have a strap that goes around the seat that folds out. Now there is a large strap that goes all the way around the back seat outside that connects here to the bottom and keeps this held in place and back. I did not use that this time. I may end up putting that on later. That wasn't on the original one I had, so this is something new for me. But this was on there before. This straps around the 60-40 split on the seats, and so it keeps it up here and lined up. And then you put the headrest on here, and of course tighten these up and it holds in. If you need to take it off, it actually comes off. It comes in and out actually really quick. That's one thing I like about it. And then same thing with the front. It's held up by the headrest, so it goes on pretty quick. You have a little mesh area so you can look back here. You can also take it down if you want to let them in and out. And it's nice, it has a new pocket. This one, my original one did not have that. My original one was gray, and I'm probably going to wish I had gray because I have white dogs. We'll see how they do. And then putting the doors on, again, you already see I have the marks on here. You can see this is where from all of the heat on that side, I guess the sun side showed more on this side and the rubber melted more on that. But to put this part on here is actually pretty simple. You just put it up here and it's just Velcro, so you just push it in. So pretty simple. Actually, there's a little line there that tells you I'm probably need to move it back a little bit, but I may be too far wide. And then it kind of guards and protects your door. And the whole setup, 2 or 3 minutes, it's pretty quick.